In this video, we will see how can we merge all the PDF file that you have in a folder and subfolders. For that, we need to install Python library pypdf2. So pip install pypdf2. So as I already installed this, it shows requirement already satisfied. So pypdf2 is an open source pure Python PDF library which is capable of merging pages of a PDF files. So let us import this one. From pypdf2 import PDF merger. To scan all the PDFs in a folder, we need to import glob function library. So what is glob? It's a method that returns list of files or folders that matches the path specified in the path name. Now we will see, okay, before that I will show this is my folder. In the learning tutorial, folder 1 we have one PDF, folder 2 we have another PDF sample 3, and folder 3 we have another PDF sample PDF 3. Now I want to merge all the PDFs in a single PDF. So we will execute this. Now I need to have the path, browse path. So I had to the path where all the files are there, the learning tutorial star. So it should extract all the files from this particular path. Now I am going to have a list which I want to store all the file names first. For file in glob, then browse path, plus then I want to give in code star dot star. So it should, okay, let's print file. Let's print file. So let's see. So you can see all these three files, folder 1, folder 2, folder 3 are extracted. Now instead of printing this file, I want to append this file in the file list. File list dot append of file. Now if we give file list, so we have all these three files here. Now we need to merge these files. So at that time we need to use the PDF merger. Merger equal to PDF merger function. Now for PDF in that list that we created, PDF in file list, then I am giving, if there is some issue in the file, I am giving a try catch exception, merger dot append of PDF. So it will merge the file. So print file merged comma PDF. Now accept. I'm not giving any X, I don't want to print anything, so we will print files not merged. So we can capture which are the files that is merged or not. Now we have the files merged. Now what we need to know is we want to write this file. So merger dot write of this file into a merged file name. So I will give merge PDF files dot PDF. Once we write, the next thing is, so it will automatically open and write the file. Now once we write it, we need to close this, merger dot close. So let us run this one. So files merged one by one, it got merged and nothing has been errored out, and all the three files merged. Let's see in the file. So let me refresh this one. So merge PDF files. Let me open this one. So you can see PDF first page, second page and third page got merged. So in this way we can append the multiple PDFs through Python. So why, if there are more than 1000 PDFs or something, most of the online tool, or if it is more than 50 MB, online tools won't support. So in that case you can write a small Python code to merge all the files. Thank you.
Request you to please subscribe this channel for more technical and programming languages videos.